Let's start our weekend off with some creativity. I'm Molly Phillip and this is Studio Saturdays, and today we'll be making geometric animal masks inspired by Juan Travieso.
For this project, you'll need the following materials: 3 half sheets of paper in different colors, a pencil, scissors, a glue stick, and 2 12-inch strands of yarn. But before we get started, let's take a closer look at our featured artwork from the collection. This is Juan Travieso's Lonesome George, made in 2013 and is an oil and acrylic painting on canvas. Juan Travieso is a Cuban artist who combines realism, portraiture, and abstraction to raise awareness for animals' rights and endangered species. Travieso mixes geometric shapes with realistic images to represent how human interference has changed the environment. His artworks usually include a protagonist, or a positive character, and an antagonist, or a negative character, to tell a story about how the antagonist has impacted the environment of the protagonist. In Lonesome George, the protagonist is George, the last Pinta Island tortoise, and the antagonists are the goats. Pinta Island tortoises like George became endangered after people brought goats to the island and set them to run free and eat all the vegetation, accidentally starving the tortoises. Pinta Island tortoises went extinct after George passed away at the Galapagos National Park. Travieso paints the goats with geometric masks and other elements to show how their introduction to Pinta Island permanently changed the landscape. For today's craft, we'll be making our own geometric masks inspired by an endangered species, using construction paper and string. I'll be modeling my mask after the Florida scrub jay, an endangered species of bird mostly seen close to my home in Southeast Florida, but feel free to choose whichever animal you'd like. Be sure to think about how you can include geometric shapes into your design. For example, I'm going to use geometric triangles to mimic feathers on my mask. This craft is a great opportunity to learn more about the endangered species in your area and what you can do to help. Here's some questions to think about while you work. Which animal did you choose and why? And how will you include your geometric shapes? This project is a complete freestyle. You can follow along with me and make a bird mask, but I encourage you to create an idea all your own. Ask a friend, guardian, parent, or family member to help you research endangered animals, and once you choose one, create a mask that represents that animal. Use different colored sheets of paper to create geometric shapes and glue them together in layers to add dimension to your mask. Make sure to cut 2 eye holes so that you can see through it when you wear it. Once your mask is complete, take scissors, a sharp pencil, or a hole punch, and make 2 small holes on each side of your mask. Feel free to ask for some help in punching your holes. Run a piece of yarn, approximately 12 inches long, through one hole and make a knot. Do the same with a second piece on the other hole. Now you're ready to wear your mask. Tie the strands of yarn behind your head and adjust it to fit your face comfortably.
Thanks so much for joining me today while we made some geometric animal masks inspired by TRAVIESO, and be sure to tune in next time when we'll be doing color washes inspired by Monty Oliver. Have a good weekend!
Thanks again for joining us for Studio Saturdays. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell to find out when a new video is uploaded. Have a good day!